Ready to upgrade your DIY game? In this video, we're revealing 20 amazing tools that make projects faster, easier, and way more fun. From clever time savers to surprisingly smart innovations, these tools can boost accuracy, reduce effort, and maybe even save you from a few DIY disasters. Let's get started. The AF6 Pro Brick Rule is a handy 2-in-1 tool that combines a folding rule and brick gauge. Built from durable ABS plastic with reinforced brass hinges, it helps bricklayers set accurate datum heights, maintain consistent courses, and work faster with fewer measuring mistakes. The Deckwise Hidden Deck. Fastener gives your deck a sleek, screw-free look while delivering up to 3 times the holding power of standard clips. Its stainless steel core and durable polymer shell create a strong, weather-resistant connection that stays hidden. The result? A cleaner finish, longer-lasting performance, and a deck that looks professionally built. The FELO ERGONIC K is a clever all-in-one tool that combines a ratchet, pivoting screwdriver, and ergonomic handle for maximum versatility. Its swivel head easily reaches tight, awkward spaces while delivering up to 50 Newton-meters of torque for demanding tasks. The result is faster, smoother screw driving with fewer tool changes and less frustration. This 1,200-watt angle grinder combines a powerful brushless motor with a slim 163mm body, making it comfortable to hold and easy to control. Its dust-resistant design helps extend tool life, while the high-speed performance powers through cutting and grinding tasks with ease. Fast, durable, and efficient, it's built to handle tough jobs without slowing down. The Arbortech All-Saw uses a unique orbital cutting action to make precise, deep cuts in masonry with minimal dust and no overcut. Its powerful 1,400-watt motor, improved belt drive, and advanced dust control deliver faster, cleaner, and safer cutting on demanding jobs. The Adjustable Fortress is a secure elevated work platform with 360-degree protection, a spacious standing area, and a 375 pounds load rating. Quick adjust rails, wide outriggers, built-in tool storage, and easy roll wheels help you work safely, comfortably, and efficiently at height. This cable stripper delivers precise, controlled cable stripping with a secure blade locking system and adjustable cutting depth up to 4.5 millimeters. Compatible with round cables from 4.5 millimeters to 40 millimeters in diameter, it offers clean, reliable results across a wide range of cable sizes. This diamond grinding wheel uses a double-sided electroplated design with coarse 40/45 number diamond grit for rapid shaping, grinding, and material removal. Its unique bean pattern diamond layout boosts cutting efficiency and provides more consistent performance. Built for durability and precision, it delivers long-lasting results on demanding grinding and sharpening tasks. The IN GCO 20-volt cordless Mitre Saw makes woodworking easier with a powerful 4,500 revolutions per minute motor and a sharp 210mm TCT blade for clean, accurate cuts. Its versatile cutting capacity handles a wide range of projects, while the included dust bag helps reduce mess. Portable, precise, and efficient, it's a great addition to any workshop. The Panelsaw is designed to make cutting full 8-foot sheets smooth, accurate, and hassle-free. Its long anodized aluminum sliding table glides effortlessly for better control, while the powerful motor and large blade capacity deliver precise, professional-quality cuts. Built for demanding workshop projects, it combines power, accuracy, and efficiency in one machine. The AF6 Angle Finder is a compact, CNC machined aluminum tool built for precision and versatility. With protractor, miter, and butt joint angle displays, plus laser-engraved 1-degree markings, it provides measurements accurate to plus or minus 0.25 degrees. Perfect for woodworking, framing, roofing, and fabrication, it helps you measure once and cut right the first time. The ESCO Megabyte. Bead wedges help keep tire beads from reseating during bead breaking operations, making the job faster and safer. Made from lightweight aluminum with grip teeth and size markings, they improve control and efficiency on heavy-duty tire service tasks. The Drill Stand Pro turns an ordinary drill into a precision drilling machine. Its heavy-duty build, smooth depth control system, and adjustable depth stop help deliver accurate, repeatable holes every time. Paired with a sturdy cast-iron base for maximum stability, it's perfect for achieving professional quality drilling results with greater control and confidence. This 21 volts cordless spray gun delivers fast, smooth painting with a powerful copper motor, adjustable spray patterns, and 5 nozzle sizes. Its lightweight design, dual batteries, and large paint container make painting furniture, walls, and DIY projects easier and more efficient. The TrackSack is a durable carrying bag designed to protect and transport track saw rails up to 112 inches in total length. With padded construction, accessory pockets, a shoulder strap, and hanging loop, it keeps rails organized, secure, and easy to carry. This 20 volts brushless hammer drill delivers up to 70 Newton meters of torque with drilling, driving, and hammer functions in one tool. Featuring a metal chuck, variable speed control, LED work light, and included batteries, it's ready for a wide range of jobs. The DrillBlockPRO makes drilling perfectly straight holes quick and easy. No complicated setup required. Made from hardened steel, it features precision guide bushings from 1/8 to 1/2 inch in 1/64 inch increments for exceptional accuracy. Whether you're building, repairing, or crafting, it helps deliver clean, professional results every time. The electric countertop reinforcement system uses adjustable electric vacuum suction cups to support and protect sink cutouts during transport and installation. It attaches quickly, provides a secure hold, and helps prevent cracks or breakage in stone, quartz, granite, marble, and porcelain countertops. The multi-scan center and edge stud finder quickly locates wood studs, metal, and live AC wires with automatic calibration for fast, accurate results. LED indicators show stud edges and width, while its compact, comfortable design makes wall scanning easy and efficient. This cordless 1/4 inch straight die grinder packs a powerful brushless motor that delivers 0.5 horsepower of performance in a compact, easy-to-handle design. Variable speed control lets you fine-tune every task, while shadowless lighting improves visibility in tight spaces. With cordless freedom and precise control, it's perfect for smooth grinding, shaping, and finishing work. Thanks for watching. Which tool impressed you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed these clever DIY innovations, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more amazing tools, smart inventions, and project-saving gadgets. See you in the next one.